for Better Food. Today we're putting a twist on taco night.
Christina Coughlin from Alfresco is showing us how to make red pepper chicken sausage tacos. Every one of those ingredients I love, Christina. It's so nice to see you. Thanks for being with us.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks so much for having me.
Easy peasy.
These are like, just note to mom and busy mom, when you're trying to figure out how are you going to get dinner on the table, sometimes in 10 minutes because someone has to be someplace.
Right.
These are already cooked.
Yes, they are already cooked, ready to go. All you have to do is just heat them up, and they make a perfect dinner that's healthy and great for the whole family.
And I love the fact that you're turning it into a taco because I never thought about doing this with a taco.
Right.
Very clever.
Exactly. Taco Tuesday is like such a staple in my household. My husband and I, my whole family, I grew up with Taco Tuesday. It was such an awesome tradition. We would get so excited about it.
Yeah, it's great.
And then I'm like, we could use the Alfresco chicken tacos, which are already pre-cooked, ready to go. It literally takes minutes to prepare. And especially now with a busy life, I'm a working mom. I have a 15-month-old who's starting to really get into tacos. So it's the perfect meal.
All right.
Yeah.
How do we do this?
All right, let's do it up. So of course we have a package of the Alfresco chicken tacos. I'm using the roasted red pepper in Asiago, which is fantastic.
Oh, so they come in different flavors.
They do. There's so
Are they all
many
chicken
different
or
flavors.
different kinds?
They are all chicken.
Okay.
So it's great. It's a perfect chicken dinner recipe. So
Another
especially if you're a chicken fan, but you want to mix it up and do something a little bit different, not just a standard chicken recipe.
Exactly.
It's perfect.
Okay.
And like I mentioned, all you have to do is really heat it up. So
So
this
you put a
is
little
the most of it.
what'd you put in? A little olive oil?
Exactly. I put a little bit of avocado oil. I love avocado because
oil,
the healthy fats as well as a really high smoke point. So that tends to be my go-to. You can use olive oil. You can use coconut oil if you want to substitute that, have a little coconut flavor.
Yeah.
So the nice thing is with tacos, you can literally substitute anything you want based on your flavorings, what your family likes, anything.
And the good thing is, again, it's already cooked, so all you're doing is taking time, just minutes really, just to heat it up. You added the oil just because you want it to brown a little bit.
Exactly.
You don't have to, but it'll make it look a little bit better.
Right, right. You know, you could just throw these in the microwave if you wanted to do something easier.
Look at this sweet
apple. Yeah.
Yes, there's so many good flavors. Absolutely. I love it. And you can, I use the roasted red pepper and Asiago for this one, but you can literally use any of the flavors based on your flavor preference and whatever works best for you and your family and what they'll enjoy.
Oh my gosh, that's wonderful. How long does it take to heat them up? Not that long, right?
No, I have them on medium heat right now, and I'll usually do it for one side for a couple minutes and then flip them over for the other side for a couple minutes just for them to get nicely browned.
Okay.
And then they're pretty much good to go. But as long as they're hot, they're delicious regardless.
Yeah, so you're going to stick it, and then you've got, this is always helpful on taco night, you've bought the shells that stand up. But look how pretty that is. You're adding, what kind of spice did you add?
So I added a little bit of cumin and cayenne pepper just to give it a little spice, and cumin adds that nice like taco flavor to it. Now these are completely optional. You really don't need to put any spices for
they're already
these sausages
flavorful.
because they're already so flavorful.
Do you remember that song from the Human League? I'm only cumin, born to make. I'm only cumin, born to make things spicy.
We love spice in my house.
Oh, smell that? Do you smell that?
So good.
And like, look at it, just looks so good.
And again, once it's warm, that's it, because these are already fully cooked, and they're very wholesome, right? I was reading the ingredients so you can pronounce them, right? It's skinless chicken meat, roasted red peppers, Asiago cheese. So moms are going to love this because it's not all this processed stuff in here.
Right. They are one of the few just really good chicken sausages where it's, you know, they're wholesome, they're healthy, they're easy to prep. So making a dinner at home for the family doesn't have to be complicated and hard and can be done so easily, and you know that you're giving your kids a good meal.
We only have about a minute left. Should we
All right, so now
build
we're
a taco?
pretty
so
much
simple.
done, right? So we heated them up. Obviously, you can see that it's steaming. So now the fun part starts. So what I do for a standard toppings is I have tomatoes, greens, of course cheese, we have avocado, but you can really make the taco whatever you want.
However you want it.
You put your greens on the bottom, it looks like.
I did. I put my greens on the bottom.
I like that. It's like a little bed.
And then, so you can even be having this all set for the couple of minutes while that's happening.
Yep.
And then you did some avocado and cheese. Should I put the cheese on the bottom too, or wait? Okay.
You can put cheese on the bottom.
And then the
cheese
last
on the
thing is just
top.
add a little sausage here.
Add a little sausage.
However much you like there. And you can always have extras on the plate.
Yep. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I'll get that one.
That's all right.
There we go.
Oh, that's so good. It's perfect for tacos.
Right, isn't it? It's so
I wouldn't think that. I thought it was going to be a whole different thing, like, oh, sausage in a taco. It actually tastes like it belongs in a taco because of the spices you used. And, you know,
That's got a kick.
It's got a little kick from the cayenne.
The cumin, right? It's got that nice little kick. Of course, that's completely optional, right? You just do it plain.
Oh, that's really ladylike.
I mean, I needed to try it. It's just crunchy. Let me see you do it.
Let me take care of that for you, Kara.
Oh yeah, it's really ladylike.
That was beautiful.
Oh my gosh,
Now-
awesome.
So there's a whole bunch of different ways. Let me ask you, if you went on the Alfresco website, are there recipes for other different ways to use this?
Yes, there's so many different recipes out there. You know, you can check out my blog. Also has the recipe and how to make these step by step. If anyone
Because
wants
you
to know
can just
how
buy
to
these
make
as part of your
these.
weekly shopping list, and on those
Right.
nights where you have no time, you know you can turn it into something.
Exactly. There's so
Yeah.
many recipes and so many different ways to utilize these. You can use it for pasta, for pizza, tacos, you name it. Just
Wow.
heating it up.
So
The
yum.
opportunities are endless.
Thank you so much for being with us.
Yeah, no, you're welcome. Thanks for having
Oh,
me.
thanks for being.
All right, to find more delicious recipes and products, you can visit alfrescoallnatural.com.